if you have pity in your heart too. So you donate only 1 rupee for corona patient. You pay 1 rupee on the number given below. Your donation can save someone's life. Be kind. What do you need to know tomorrow? With this YouTube channel, you support us in this campaign to help corona patient.
Do you also want to make paper airplane? But you do not get well. And your friends are afraid to see your airplane. So do not be disappointed. In this video you will learn how to make paper airplane in a simple way. This paper airplane is prepared in very few cases. So make this paper airplane and show it to your friends. If you want to see more ideas for making paper airplane, so subscribe to our channel and press bell and send notifications all.